Alright, let's talk about artificial intelligence. For years, AI was the stuff of science fiction. It was always something happening in the distant future, a problem for our grandchildren. Well, look around. The future arrived while we were busy arguing about pineapple on pizza. The cars aren't flying, but the jobs are definitely disappearing. AI moved in, set up a desk, and started doing your job for a fraction of the cost. As of today, July 28, 2025, the AI job revolution is reshaping the workforce. Companies chasing efficiency have been swapping out human workers for algorithms. We're talking about a seismic shift, a digital tidal wave washing away entire professions. In the first half of this year alone, the tech industry shed nearly 78,000 jobs due to AI. Right now, an estimated 30% of companies in the United States have replaced human employees with AI. This isn't a slow creep, it's a full-on sprint. The scale of this transformation is hard to comprehend because it's happening everywhere at once. It's the self-checkout kiosk replacing the friendly cashier. It's the chatbot handling your customer service complaint. Every day, more tasks that required a human touch are being handed over to machines. Welcome to 2025. The robots are here and they're coming for your paycheck. The silent takeover is over. The loud, messy, and painful part has just begun. How did we get here? The answer is simple. An explosion. Starting around 2023, generative AI went from a niche tech curiosity to a global phenomenon. Tools like ChatGPT were not just writing poems, they were writing code and drafting contracts. Computing power became cheaper, datasets were readily available, and the technology became easy to use. Businesses of all sizes could suddenly harness a power once reserved for tech giants. The corporate world saw a tool that could boost productivity and slash costs. Companies began integrating AI into workflows, first as an assistant, then as a replacement. The Great Acceleration began, and the age of mass human labor in certain sectors is ending. The AI revolution of 2025 is unique because it's coming for everyone. Take cashiers, for example. Self-checkout kiosks are replacing entry-level jobs. Truck drivers are seeing AI-powered systems optimize routes, reducing the need for human dispatchers. The most shocking part is how deeply it's cutting into the white-collar world. Customer service roles are being replaced by AI chatbots. The vast call centers that once employed thousands are being hollowed out. Creative and analytical fields are feeling the heat too. Content writing and editing roles are being replaced by AI. Paralegals are seeing their work automated by powerful AI. Even Wall Street is not immune, with banks planning to replace financial roles with AI. The empty chairs are piling up in every sector of the economy. From the person who used to greet you at the store to the person who wrote the article you're reading, their roles are being absorbed by technology. Microsoft reports that 30% of all new computer code is being written by its AI assistant. This isn't about automating simple tasks anymore. This is about automating thought, creativity, and expertise. It's a fundamental reordering of our society. The reality of 2025 is a trail of unemployed people from all walks of life. Why are companies eager to replace their human workforce with AI? The answer is simple, the bottom line. An AI employee works 24 hours a day without needing a break. It doesn't require health insurance or contributions to a 401k. For a corporation, labor is often its biggest expense. By replacing human workers with AI, companies can slash operating costs dramatically. We are witnessing one of the greatest transfers of wealth from labor to capital in human history. AI brings efficiency and consistency that humans cannot match. The relentless pursuit of efficiency comes at a tremendous social cost. There's a frantic, high-stakes global arms race for AI dominance. Tech companies are pouring billions into research to achieve artificial general intelligence. This race is proceeding with breathtaking speed and a terrifying lack of oversight. We are building what could become the most powerful force in human history without a rulebook. The AI wave is crashing down and we can't stop it. The choice we face is not whether to stop AI but how to live with it. The mantra for the individual in 2025 is, adapt or be automated. The first step is reskilling and upskilling. The jobs of the future will be about collaborating with AI. By 2030, millions will need to change career paths entirely. We need collective action and policies to manage this transition humanely. This includes strong AI ethics laws and robust social safety nets. We need to build a future where the gains from automation are shared broadly. The goal shouldn't be to stop progress. It should be to steer it in a direction that benefits all of humanity. The AI takeover of 2025 is not the end of the world. We are standing at the beginning of a new era, a turning point in human history. The question is what kind of world we will build on the other side of it. AI has the potential to cure diseases and solve climate change, but these benefits will not materialize automatically. The optimistic future where AI serves humanity is possible, but it is not guaranteed. Start by getting curious. Learn about this technology. The more we understand, the better equipped we will be to shape the outcome. The AI job revolution is here. It's real, and it will affect every single one of us. The future is being written by an algorithm. It's time we humans started writing our own chapter. Are you ready?